Hi, this is a short video to introduce some work on robot steganography. We're designing robots to be able to help people in different ways, but we're not exactly sure how to build them in the best way. One really useful way to help vulnerable populations is steganography, and this is basically hiding messages. And this allows people who are maybe the victims of violence to communicate or to call for help without being detected. So we wondered, can we put these two together? Can we have robots that can help people by sending secret messages? And we used a speculative approach, and we looked at some scenarios with two kinds of robots, an autonomous vehicle and a humanoid social robot. For the autonomous vehicle, we identified scenarios that involved a threat that is approaching some sensitive area. For the humanoid robot, we identified scenarios that were more about telling somebody that a bad interaction is going to happen or is happening. And these scenarios allowed us insight into some of the unique challenges of robot steganography. One difference from regular computer steganography is that robots don't usually receive files directly, but they'll maybe perceive stuff with their sensors, and that allows noise to creep in. As well, human steganographers do not really have problems with coming up with messages to send, but robots have to actually somehow put together what they've perceived in a nice way to send that to some human or other robot. And perspective is also important in the physical world when things are moving, because you might only be able to see a robot's behaviors or hear what a robot is saying from certain distances and angles. So we identified a bunch of different carriers. That's signals where you can hide messages in. Like, for example, for an autonomous vehicle, the locomotion seems really important. For a humanoid robot, there's many different modalities, but for example, the face and the speech and the gestures that the robot has, as well as locomotion, seem quite important. So we looked at a bunch of math and some practical concerns, and then we wanted to test the feasibility of what we were doing. So we had a simplified user study with 20 participants. And this is showing the videos that the participants saw. In these videos, we've hidden 5 different steganographic messages.
Oh, you surprised me. I was concentrating so much that I didn't see you. But anyway, hello and welcome. How are you doing this fine day? Are you looking for someone? Hello? Stacy can't come. She isn't feeling well. Please don't worry.
So the result of the study was that we found that we could in fact hide messages within the robot's behaviors in such a way that it would be hard for people to detect. Yay. Future work. We want to look more into the ethics and also this steganalysis, that is, the detecting of the hidden messages. Thank you for listening. See you.